that tire. I put 5,000 miles on it like that. Feel it. That's fucking.
Oh, I can see it.
That's like.
So I got your mom coming up. Take your son so you don't.
No, that's not happening. If you're gonna come here and tell me that, you guys can all.
You have to stay away over protection with him, dude.
Right.
I don't want to get in a fight with you, especially with your son in your hands. All right.
It's not gonna happen.
Come on, come.
All right, come on. Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming. Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to your son. Hey. What the fuck? Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. All right, stop. Let me go. You want to do something, son? Get the fuck out of here. Stop. Stop.
Control 20 units, 34850, 64 shots fired, 34 Crooker, there's help.
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Right there, your son.
I know, dude.
I called
Bro, you're shot. Can you stand me up? You're shot. I gotta help you. Stop. I gotta help you. Okay, just let me stand up. No. I'll roll over and help me stand up. You back up.
Hi, buddy. What are you doing? You okay? Can you stay over here for me?
Let me stand up.
Can you sit here, okay?
Stop. Get down. I'm going to handcuff you. We're going to send you. Call an ambulance.
I think they did.
Okay.
340 Patrol. Do we have an ambulance responding?
Okay, roll. Big step. Don't want to hurt you, bud.
Are you okay?
100%, dude. Never connect you with anything.
All right, so turn it on, man. Stop, Corey. No, stop, dude.
I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. You gotta see what the hell going on.
Look at that tire. I put 5,000 miles on it like that. Feel it. That's fucking.
Oh, I can see it, man.
So I got your mom coming up. Take your son so you don't.
No, that's not happening. If you're gonna come here and tell me that, you guys can all.
You have to stay away over protection with him, dude.
Right.
I don't want to get in a fight with you, especially with your son in your hands. All right.
It's not gonna happen.
Your mom's coming.
All right, come on. Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming.
All right.
Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to your son.
Miles, dude.
Miles, stop. I got him. Oh, fuck.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
All right, stop. Let me go.
You want to do it, son?
Corey, stop.
Dude, stop, Miles.
Can you just let me stand up? I'm not.
Control 28 units, 34850, 64 shots fired, 34 Crooker, there's help.
They got body cams. They're being nice. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Right in front of your son. You can't do it.
My son.
No,
dude.
I called
No,
the
you're going. Can you stand me up?
You're shot. I gotta help you.
No. Stop. Stop.
Wow, go over, dude. I gotta help you.
Okay, just let me stand up.
Nope.
I'll roll over and help me stand up. You back
You
up.
can't hit me in the head with freaking seat pipe, dude.
Buddy,
Natalie about to turn over.
Wow,
what
go
are you
over.
doing?
Hey, I gotta help you.
You
Go
okay?
over. Go over, dude. Stop. Lay
Stay
down.
over your phone.
Dude, let me stand up.
Lay down.
Is he okay?
Lay down, dude. Lay down.
Dude,
Stop.
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 Come on, you go back.
Stop. 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 I'm gonna handcuff you. They're gonna attend you. Call an ambulance.
I think they did.
Okay.
Go through the phone.
Okay, roll over. Stay good. Okay. Stay good. Don't want to hurt you, bud.
No, you okay?
100%, dude. You never flashed you with anything.
Alright, stand it up, man. Stop, Corey.
No,
stop it.
Trying to be challenged, I can, but you gotta see what the hell.
Yes, let me stand up.